Hello friends, welcome to Technovision Services by Munna sir. Today we are going to see calling of base class variable from derived classes in C++ video tutorial. Let's start it. As we know that from derived classes we can call only protected or public data of base class, but there may be mainly two cases. First, when variables are contained by only base class or we can say parent class. Second situations or second case may be when variables are present in both classes, means parent class as well as in child class. So further, when variables are present in both classes, then there may be two situations. First one is when variables are present in both classes with unique or different names. Second, when variables are present in both classes with same or similar name, we can say. First case we have seen in inheritance type video. If you have not watched those videos, you may watch those videos. Today we are going to see second part, means when variables are present in both classes, then how to call them. We will see through practical also. When variables are present in both class with unique name, means base class and child class both contains variables with different name. In that case, from derived class we can call them directly either from any method of derived class or from constructor also by using their name itself. We have to not use any extra syntax. When second situation may be when variables are present in both classes with same name. First case we have seen when variables are present in parent and child class with different names, then we can call them directly. But second case is say when variables are present in both class with same name. In that case, from derived class we can call only derived class variable directly. But in order to call base class variable from any method or constructor of derived class, then we have to use this syntax, means base class name, a scope resolution operator, then variable name. Then only we can refer base class variable. Otherwise, it will always refer the child class or we can say derived class variable. Let's do practical example. New source file has include IO stream using name space std. First, we will see when both variable contain when variables are present in both classes, parent and child class, with different name. Then we will convert into the same name. Class parent protected int x. Suppose we have created a method public void get data 1 cout enter any int value handle cin x, then semicolon class child public parent, means we are creating child class of parent class. Again we are declaring variable with different name, means int y. Then in public section void get data 2 cout enter any another int value, then handle C in Y. As we see here, parent class contains variable with name X, where child class contains variable with name Y. Means both classes contains variables with different name. So from derived class method, we can call them or we can refer them directly by using their name itself. Nothing extra effort is required. X plus Y, cout, sum of X plus Y equal to Z, and then we need to terminate child class also. Int main, we have to create object of child class, because using object of child class we can call method of both. So obj dot get data 1, then obj dot get data 2. Now we can call obj dot sum. So let's see, save it first. Calling where of base dot cpp. F11 is shortcut to run and compile in C++. C 5 and 8. So we got the output 13. Means we have called here variable of both parent class as well as child class also. So no extra effort is required. Means we have used variable X and variable Y of base class and child class. Nothing extra effort is required. But now suppose child class contains variable with name X also. Then how we will differentiate? Let's see. X. Now suppose we are trying to perform addition of X plus X. In that case we will get at the output only addition will be performed using child class or derived class variable. Let's see. F11. Suppose we have put 5 and then 9. See the output. It's showing sum of 9 plus 9 equal to 18. Means it takes only child class or derived class variable. Because if child class contains variable with same name as of it's available in parent class, then why child class will go to the parent class variable? Therefore, we are getting the output 9 plus 9 equal to 18. Now, what if we want to call both variables? In that case, we have to use here base class name. In base class name here is parent, then a scope resolution operator we have to use. Again, at the time of printing also, in showing the output also, we have to use parent class name and then a scope resolution operator. Then only we are able to call base class or parent class variable from child class. Let's see the output. F11. Now we will get the correct output 6 plus 4. See, we have got the output both parent class as well as child class variable also, means sum of 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 6 is being taken from parent class and 4 is being taken from the child class. So in this way we can call variable of parent class from child class. This is required only when both class contains variables with same name. If their names are different, then parent class and a scope region operator is not required. You may do lot of examples. If you find any difficulties, feel free to mention in comment box. What is your opinion about this video? Please mention in comment box. I will answer your all the questions. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it for latest update of other new videos. Thank you.